Who's there?
Can you please reduce the volume of your song?
Huh?
Reduce the volume of the music you're playing.
I can't hear you.
Reduce.
You said what?
Reduce the volume of your song.
Why?
It's disturbing my apartment, please.
I mean, I'm playing it in my room. I'm not playing it in your room.
I know, but it's disturbing the whole apartment. Can't you feel it? It's too loud.
Okay, so me enjoying myself is disturbing you. Like me, are we paying rent together? I beg you, excuse me. Come on.
Shawty, you show your color. Go to find my bami son. Show me your side, you they keep me for corona. They say love is wicked, wicked, oh. She been there pretend.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
The thing is, I've been trying to look for sleep all week. I literally lack sleep. Like, your music is disturbing me. It's too loud. No, I'm not asking you to turn it off. Just reduce it a little so that I can sleep. Please, I beg you. Please, just... I begged him more. I literally pleaded and... I say I'm tired of going to that bank. Chandra, sure you see what I'm saying? Can you hear the noise I'm hearing? Can you hear this noise I'm hearing now? This is the same thing I've been saying. This boy is trying me. Sandra, this boy is trying me. I'm not going to take it lightly this time around, though. This is how he disturbs my peace every time. For you to be hearing... I swear, I'm going to him. I'm going to give him the peace of my mind because this nonsense has to stop. Listen, Mr. Man, or whatever you call yourself. I have come here the first time. I asked you politely. No, actually, yeah. I asked you to turn off your song. You refused. I came back again the second time and I pleaded with you to keep your song low, but you wouldn't listen. I don't know what your problem is. Are you the only one living in this compound? What do you want other people living in this compound to do? I don't know people living here are parents as your parents. You parents. What's your problem? Hello, Sandra. Well, like this boy is mad. Can you imagine that I went to meet that boy and I gave him a piece of my mind? He didn't even utter anything. He didn't even say a word. The next thing I saw was his door on my face. He just slammed the door on my face. He did not even say anything, making me seem like I have something going on in my brain. That's why it's not even my right to speak. Well, like this is the worst. This is the worst insult anybody have given to me my entire life, and I swear I'm going to do my own back. I will do my own back. She make a noise. I will make noise in this compound. He will call his ancestors. Nobody will answer him. Me, I will look for something to do. I know I'm not a noisemaker. Just calm down. I have a plan. Don't tell me to stop. I beg. This is annoying. I've been talking to him since he's not listening. I will do my own. That's the only thing I can say. Me, I'm too angry now to talk. Let me just talk to you later. Bye bye. Let me just think of what to do to this boy now. That will pain me.
I know before, no, yeah. I know the price it too. You quench my thirst in silence. Sign language, oh. Do you know what you do to me, Your intentions with dirty wine tonight. Let me show you the world. What does it take to kill a man? It's on your way, what does it take to
Do you know what time it is?
No?
Okay, let me tell you. This is 3 a.m. 3 fucking a.m. and you are making this kind of noise.
Oh wow, it's 3 already. Sorry, I couldn't keep track of time. Any problem?
Okay, well, I'm trying to sleep and you're disturbing my sleep.
Oh.
Listen. I know what you're doing. And you're going to say, oh, I make noise, but I don't make noise at night.
Well, you of all people should know how fun it is to have noise in the room. It's so fun.
Okay, so I'm telling you to keep it down. Can you please keep it down?
No, I won't.
Keep it down.
No! What are you saying? Louder, man! Louder!
Keep it down!
Let me call my baby Sandra. Hi, Sandra, my love. I'm sorry for the late night call. I just wanted to know that I'm having the best time of my life. I know, you don't understand. I'm dancing in my room. Yes, your best friend cannot sleep. No, not me, the other best friend. Yeah, the one you know. He came home. Please, I'm sorry for all that time. I'm high on water right now. We'll talk tomorrow. Bye. I can't hear you again. Bye.
I don't have my time. You are always working every day and night. You don't have any time for me. Let me just wait for you to find for me.
What the fuck is all this? I don't play music by this time.
Could it be true that you got this feeling? Make me feel like you try to kill me.
I'm late. Oh, fuck. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Yes, I'm already on my way now. Sir, I'm sorry, sir. I woke up late. No, I'm not joking with my job, sir. I slept late. That's why I woke up late. Please, sir, don't sack me. I'm on my way. I swear to God. I'm almost at the office. I swear. I'm coming now, sir. Sir. Madam, don't worry, you'll be fine. And at this point, all you need is a lot of rest. Okay?
Okay.
And I will advise you stay out of noisy areas for now.
I will. Thank you.
Alright, okay. I will check back at you.
Alright, thank you so much. Thank you. is going to end me.
I get goosebumps with you. Tell me what you like for do. Oh, let me keep it your vibe, make I tell you something. You don't give another man talk, now you want my loving. I beg you there one side, make I tell you something. If you give another man talk, I know one there nothing. You better stay forgotten. Shawty, you show your color. Go to feel my me son. Show me your side, you they keep me for corona. They say love is wicked, wicked, oh. She been they pretend, oh.
Destiny.